I'm going to show you how to easily add captions to your videos in seconds with this amazing video editing tool. Hi everyone, Jay here, and I'm using a product called Submagic, where you can create viral shorts in seconds with AI. Submagic is the simplest video creation platform that helps creators and businesses make captivating content faster than ever. Now, you're here for one specific reason, and that's how to easily add captions to your videos in seconds. I'm going to show you how to do that using this tool. I'm also going to go over the features here. You can read them yourself here. I'm not going to go too in-depth on this. You can do captions, you could do B-roll, auto-zoom, transitions, auto-cut, sound effects, descriptions, background music, transcripts, images, and GIFs. Basically, if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, you're doing a lot of YouTube shorts or TikTok videos, this is a great video editing tool to have in your back pocket that can help grow your YouTube channel and save you hours and hours of time in the process. So these are some of the, you got auto zoom, some of the celebrities that use some of these features, and obviously they're doing very well. Their videos look real professional, but this is basically where you're going to get, see these captions right here. I'm going to show you how to do something extremely similar, and you're going to have different options in this video in 1 second here. With that being said, there is a 10% discount, an exclusive discount that you can grab in the video description box directly below this video. If you like what you see, if you want to check out Submagic for yourself, which I highly recommend you do, to grow your YouTube channel, grow your following, make yourself some more money with your video marketing, then you're going to want to check out this product. But the link's directly below, 10% discount. It'll save you, so feel free to use it. Now with that being said, we're going to dive in and easily add captions to your videos. And I'm going to show you how to do that in seconds. What you do is you upload your video to Submagic. You got style, captions, B-rolls. You got all kinds of different options here. But we're just here for one thing, and that is to show you how to do the captions in seconds. And here we go. The transcription will already be done when you upload the video. It's already going to be working on that when you're uploading the video, so you don't have to worry about that. It's got a 99.65% accuracy rate, so it's almost 100%. So you're not going to have to worry about a bunch of typos in your captions. It's going to handle that for you. But these are your captions, your professional caption generators here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to play this video. It's about 1 minute and 41 seconds. I'm giving away a free ebook on YouTube video editing. If you want to check that out, the link will be directly below the Submagic discount link in the video description box as well. But I'm not going to talk because this video is going to be playing and you're going to hear my voice in the background from this other video. So I don't want to be talking and having over myself in another video as well. So I'm just going to go through these one by one. Look right here where my mouse is. You can see the different captions. And if you want to check this out for yourself, feel free to do so. So if you want to like and subscribe to this video, I'd appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for future video updates. With that being said, here we go. Let's play this and get started here. Want to transform your YouTube videos with cutting-edge AI tools? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Jay, and I've been helping content creators like you boost their video production with AI. Today, I'm excited to share an exclusive resource that will revolutionize your video editing process. Introducing Master AI Video Editing for YouTube, free ebook and video training. This comprehensive guide unlocks the secrets to creating stunning YouTube videos with AI editing. Instantly improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. Here's what you'll get. Learn the insider secrets of AI video editing to produce professional quality videos in record time. An exclusive bonus video training, AI writing secrets exposed, creating irresistible content with ChatGPT that ranks. Discover how to use AI tools to enhance both your video and written content, making them irresistible to your audience. Step-by-step guidance to elevate your content and stand out in a crowded market. Thanks for watching. Unlock the secrets to creating content that captivates and ranks